walk me through it and tell me the measurements you're doing, or do you just do it by feel?
No, we do by measurements,
Okay.
of course. Okay, first we're gonna put some ice in the glass. Then Aperol. So we're gonna put 1.5 ounces of Aperol. Prosecco.
What kind of Prosecco is it?
It's Castle Pietra, Italian. So maybe Prosecco makes it different because it's original Italian. Splash of soda on top. Stir it up. This will become a nice color, happy color. Color of sunset. And the slice of orange. Okay, ready for you to be refreshed. Enjoy.